At this time, we are going to create a C program that will help us to convert temperature from one unit to another. For an instance, if somebody gives us the temperature in centigrade, we will convert that into Fahrenheit. Or otherwise, if somebody gives us the temperature in Fahrenheit unit, we are going to convert the temperature into centigrade. So for that reason, we need the formula for converting from centigrade to Fahrenheit or the other ways. So here we have the basic formula for the conversion. Now let's manipulate this program, this formula a little bit. Let's say first we'll take the input as a Fahrenheit, and then we're going to convert the temperature into centigrade. All right. So for that reason, we need the centigrade on the left side. So here I'm going to multiply C with 9. So it's going to be 9C. And then 5 will go to the other way. So 5 into F minus 32, right? And then we can say C equals, so here C. And if 9 goes to the other way, so in this case, it will be 5F minus 32 by 9. Okay, that's all we need for now. And then we can make it a little bit shorter here. If we divide 9 with 5, so here we can say 1.8 in the end. So that's the formula we need. So let's start. Now that we have formula here, I'm going to create a program and let's call it temperature converter. So temperature converter here, I'm going to create the file with the extension .c as usual. Okay, let's create the basic structure here first of all. So a hash include, and then we are going to say studio.h, and then we can say integer main. So at the beginning, it's better to type all these things because you need to get more familiar with this structure, right? And then in the end, let's put return 0. That's all. Now that we have the basic structure, let's get our formula here. So we have the formula here, C equal here, let's get back F minus 32 if I'm not wrong. So here I'm going to say F minus 32, and it should be divided by 1 by 8, right? So F minus 32 divided by 1 by 8. So here I'm going to put the parentheses. Let's do that. I'm going to put the parentheses here exactly, and then we're going to divide it by 1.8. That's all. Now that we have formula, let's start creating our program. So we know that the variables we need here, we need Fahrenheit and centigrade. There are two variables we need, and let's define them with floating point. And here I'm going to say centigrade. So the variable name should be meaningful as much as possible. Even though C and F is completely fine, you can use them according to the syntax of C programming. But here we are using more meaningful variable name. All right. So by looking at this variable name, somebody can understand what basically we're trying to do here. So here I'm going to put Fahrenheit. All right. And now let's start create the program here. Basically, first of all, we need the input Fahrenheit from the user because this is something we do not know what the user wants to give. So here I'm going to ask the user, hey, give me the Fahrenheit. So let's say enter Fahrenheit, and then let's continue. And again, by the way, if I do any typo here, please excuse me because I'm not looking at this typo here. So here we're going to get the user input with the help of scanf as usual, and we're going to use %f format specifier, and then we're going to assign the value inside the Fahrenheit variable. All right. Now that we have the value, we can start doing the calculation, and we already know the formula. So let's just copy and paste from here to here. And then let's just change the naming here. So centigrade, and then we're going to put Fahrenheit here. So let me just copy this and paste it here. I want to be consistent everywhere. So here I'm going to put it Fahrenheit. All right, then that should be all for now. Let me just end this with semicolon, and we need to print out the result as well, right? So let me just copy and paste here for the results. Here we are going to say Celsius, equivalent Celsius, or centigrade actually, equivalent centigrade. So let me put it like that, equivalent centigrade. And then we can show the result here. So let's do that, %f. We can use %.2f, and then we are going to use a new line, and then we need the name of the variable, which is basically centigrade in our case. All right, let's run this program and let's hope that we are going to get the expected result. So here I'm going to run this, and if everything goes successful, it creates a file. There's one more thing probably you're noticing. It creates, every time when we run the program, it creates a file, and basically this is a binary file that helps the machine to understand what basically instruction we are giving to the machine so that it can perform the task. Okay, because this is what we are writing, it's our language, it's kind of human language, you can say. So machine doesn't understand. So when you run the compile and run, the compiler basically turns this program into machine code so that machine can understand. Anyway, I'm getting back to the things that I wanted to explain. Here I'm going to give a Fahrenheit value, let's say 32, and it's giving the equivalent centigrade 00. Let's check it again. Here I'm going to run this program. This time I'm going to give, let's say, 152.5, something like this, and then it's giving me the equivalent centigrade temperature. Now, if I tell you you need to do the opposite, of course, I know you will be able to do it. So let's do that as well. So let's say this time we will get centigrade as an input, and we need to convert the temperature unit to Fahrenheit. So let's get back to the formula. If we want to make this formula right, so first of all, let me just remove this part. I am going to remove all these things from here so that we can format our formula a little bit here. All right. That's good. So far, so good. Let's continue here. So now we are going to have these 5 into f minus 32 on this side, f minus 32, and then we are going to have 9 into c on the right side. All right. And then if 5 goes to the other side, we'll have f minus 32 here. And then if 5 goes to the other side, it will basically divide this 9c. So 9c divided by 5, which will be 1.8c. So here I'm going to write it like this, f minus 32 equal, if we divided 9 by 5, it will be 1.8. Then we have c as well, so 1.8c. And then in the end, we need just f on the left side, which is Fahrenheit. So minus 32 will go to the right side as plus 32, right? So 1.8c plus 32. So this is our formula basically that we need. All right, let's go back. So it's 1.8c plus 32. Here I'm going to write it down, 1.8c plus 32. All right, and here we are going to get the Fahrenheit. That's all we need. Now let's use this formula in order to find out the Fahrenheit. We need two variables just like before, centigrade and Fahrenheit. We have those variables already, but this time as an input, I'm going to get centigrade. So I'm going to ask the user to give me centigrade. User will give me the centigrade, and I will put that inside the centigrade variable. All right, and this time we are going to find out the Fahrenheit. So let me put Fahrenheit here. And then we are going to say 1.8 into centigrade. So here I'm going to put centigrade. And then I need to plus this result with 32. That's all. Now, of course, you can use parentheses here, which is completely fine. You can do that just to clarify things or just to explain to others what basically you are doing in order to, get confused. Sometimes people can get confused with the operator precedence. So just get rid of the confusion here. All right, and then we just need to say equivalent Fahrenheit because that's what we are doing this time. And here I'm going to put Fahrenheit variable. That's all. That's done basically. Now let's run this program and let's see what happened if we run this again. So this time I'm going to give the centigrade temperature, which is, let's say, 32.5, and the equivalent Fahrenheit, we are getting 90.50 here. So hopefully things are making sense and you had fun doing this program. That's all.